What's up, you guys? I'm Nathan Wayne. Welcome back to the channel. Now, the past 2 weeks, wildfires ravaging in LA, and I really wanted to make a video about how I can share my thoughts, prayers, and condolences, because it's truly awful. It really is bad what's happening down there. Shortly after the wildfires broke out in one home, this one guy had this person's album, well, not this person, his wife's album, from 2010 go viral, #1 on charts, and I still gotta listen to it because I'm very curious to hear it. But at the end of the day, this isn't about that. This is about helping folks through a hard time. Shout out to all the amazing firefighters. I think they got out like most of the fires. I really don't know. I have to check. But today is a very good day because I get to speak my thoughts about this, and I've watched the news about it all these last couple weeks. It's been on Entertainment Tonight quite a lot. So yeah, I just wanted to share my it's important. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit, and I'll see you next time. Peace.